Unleash your gaming skills with the remarkable Asus ROG Strix SCAR 17 SE. The raw horsepower of the SCAR 17 SE makes it easy to play any game without hesitation. The powerful Intel Core i9-12950HX processor paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti laptop GPU with up to an incredible 175 watt max TGP makes short work for high resolution textures and level details. Loading screens are a thing of the past thanks to the PCIe Gen 4x4 SSD in a RAID 0 array. Lastly, the brand new DDR5 memory offers a performance jump with write times 50% faster than DDR4 equipped machines. Built to last, the laptop's keyboard switches are rated to last over 20 million presses. Perky RGB lighting allows for unlimited flexibility via Aura Sync, including game-specific lighting layouts. The body is sleek, liquid-cooled, and holds a secret in invisible ink. You've also got included customizable armor caps that allow you to add extra flair to your machine. If you're looking for unmatched performance in a sleek and stylish chassis, the Asus ROG Strix SCAR 17 SE is a hard laptop to beat. From breathtaking gaming visuals to incredible sound and lightning-fast storage, this is one gaming laptop that goes above and beyond anything else in the market.